Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing a couple of Barber items that I bought from one of my Barber plugs, and I'm going to be doing a light review of them. Alright, let's get it. Okay, so today we're going to start off with the UV babyless foils. I have one of these, the double foils, so I really like them in my opinion. So there you go. So they come with the UV top and also the babyless actual foils. Like, you see, when you put them, they sound very powerful. That's why I like babyless. They also come with the charger. They come with instructions, stickers, and also a carrying bag for it. See, it has the babyless on it. And then I think it has some, it has the little wiper, not wiper, the duster. There you go. Let's move this to the side. Okay. Next thing we have is the SC Pro brushless sabers, the 2.0s. See? They look nice. I hear a lot of very good reviews on these guys. Look pretty nice. Look pretty powerful actually. I'm not gonna hold you. Ooh, they sound nice. They're actually switching on pretty well. And then it has that little removable case so you could get into there. Hold on, focus. There you go. But yeah, it has that. Let's see what else it got. It has the base, charger. Then I think it has the tight. Yeah, it does. It has the tight guards. Then the extra removable cases, extra parts, charger, screwdriver. I'm guessing warranty. Yeah, has all that. All right, next item will be you know what, I'm gonna save the best for last. Came with one of these. It's a what is it, Supreme Trimmer Pro cape. I hear a lot of good stuff about these guys. Let's see how this looks. And it's good quality. Ooh, I like how this feels. It's humongous, holy. Okay, there you go. It looks pretty nice. I like it. Alright, let's put this to the side. And this one came with two. It's the Supreme Trimmer airbrush, and it came with its paint. Let me just open it up for y'all. I don't think I have a blade in here. Let's see. Scissors. There you go. My shears. There you go. Okay. How do you open this guy up? There you go. There you go. Oh, look at that packaging. That's some nice packaging, bro. Alright. I really like this thing. Looks pretty cool. Comes with the user manual. Comes with two airbrushes. One with the trigger at the bottom, and then the trigger at the top. Then the actual compressor right here. Of course, has no battery. Then the thing to put the paint in. Both of them. Charger. Airbrush cleaner. Also. And then it has the airbrush paint. The guns feel pretty heavy duty. I like them. Okay, what else it got? Okay, nothing there. Let me just put these guys back. And then it came with some paint. And it's pretty much the same thing as I showed you, the other one. And then the biggest one that I heard that has good reviews on, this guy, the Coco Hyper Velocity Trimmers. Let's open it up. I'm actually excited for this one. This one's pretty. Oh, how do you open this, bro? Oh, there you go. There you go. Has some nice packaging. All right, let's put some music. A drum roll. Oh. Okay. This is, I guess, the user manual. Then trimmer itself. Oh, this was nice. Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh, even. Oh, it has like little glitter particles. There you go. Okay, let me just take off the tape. There you go. Oh, that's nice. You see that? Hold on. There you go. I don't think you can see the gloss, but it's pretty good. Okay, the Cocos. Now we got the. I think this is the base or cables. Yeah, cables. Comes with guards. Huh. Here's the cube, charger, oil, and a couple guards. What are these? 1/2. 1. I've never seen that before. It's pretty cool, and I'm guessing the other one is the base. Let's see. Let's see what you are. Yeah, it's the base. The base looks pretty cool. See that? Coco. Actually fits pretty well. Looks cool. It looks tough. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got. I have this guy. I have the airbrush. I don't think that's gonna literally fit on there. Foils for clippers. Well, I'm only doing the setup for clippers right now, but this is what I got. Cocos, shavers, and then the clippers. These sound amazing. I love how these feel. I can't get over the colorway. I can't. Okay, but now I have these clippers, and then the clippers I use for my main. These guys. And then I have the gold version of the UVs, but just double foil. Then I have the Instincts, and then I have the Saber trimmers. So like the only reason why I bought these was for, in case this guy dies, I could use the other ones to, like, I'm cutting up here and then this one automatically dies, you know, like from cutting so much hair. I could go to the Saber 2.0s. Sound pretty good though. I like the difference. And the lever, this one feels a little bit lighter to move. This one's a little bit heavier. But size wise, they're pretty much the same thing. Just this one has the SC Echo blades, and then this one has the SC fader blade. So yeah. Then trimmers. Of course, you can never go wrong with the Sabers. And then the Cocos. Size difference, not that much, not that big of a difference. And then the foils, it's like a little difference, not that much. But Babyless foils, I love them. I really do love them. But yeah, that's all I got for today, and I'll see you in the next one. This is viczfades, and see ya.